Hi, welcome to Scratch Tutorials. Today we are going to explain and learn about gravity. So this is the main source for the gravity. So when the green flag is clicked, it will set the y velocity to 0. And forever, it will change the y by the y velocity. And if the y position is more than minus 130, it will change the y by minus 2, which pulls it down. But if it's less than the y position, which is minus 130, we do not want it to fall down. So we put a set y to minus 130. So it always stays there. And then it would set the y velocity to 0. So this is how it works like. Now we're going to explain how this works. So when the up arrow key is pressed, it will, if the y position is on minus 130, which is here, it will set the y velocity to 20, but if this code here will make it fall down. Hope you liked that Scratch tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Bye!